Is it really possible to get paid for rating movies? To many, this seems like a mere fantasy, an out-of-reach dream that would never happen. And if it did happen, what would be the catch? How would it be possible? In the next 2 minutes, you'll discover how you can actually get paid to enjoy and rate movies with TvScore. TvScore is a revolutionary platform empowering individuals to get paid for their movie and video curation. Movie lovers often struggle finding their favorite content with endless hours of movies and videos available. This means they need a rating system to help them find something they will love. But not just any rating system. It's not the critic's opinion that matters most, it is yours. By curating content, you will be helping individuals save money and time while finding their favorite new content. Besides helping the average movie lover, you'll also be helping movie investors who will happily pay for your opinion. After all, they need to know what the people like so they can make smarter investment decisions moving forward. The process is simple. You will be tasked with scouting out movies and leaving a rating and review so they can be evaluated and targeted towards the right audience. Upon earning a minimum of $15, you'll be able to withdraw funds every Wednesday. Best of all, you can work when and how you want. Work part-time or full-time. The choice is yours. Since you're already watching movies, it only makes sense to get paid to give your opinion. Simply register, select your membership account level, and begin your process of earning from the comforts of your home. Click below to join today. TvScore, revolutionary movie curation and rating that pays.